You walk into a room and forget why. You study for hours and still forget by morning. Or you meet someone and can't recall their name 10 seconds later. Relax. Your memory isn't broken. It just needs smarter habits. Here are 7 science-backed strategies to sharpen your mind, starting today. Memory habit number 1, meditation. Organize your mind by doing nothing. You live a busy life. Every day, your mind juggles problems, decisions, and anxieties. With so much on your plate, important memories can slip through the cracks. So how do you stay mentally clear? How do you hold on to the things that matter? According to a 2019 study in brain sciences, quiet meditation is one of the most effective ways to improve your working memory. Here's how. Spend 15 to 20 minutes in silence. No phone, no noise, no goals. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and just sit with your thoughts. Don't track time or analyze yourself. Just observe. If you've never meditated before, this can be surprisingly difficult. Your mind will try to revisit every stress, every conversation, every task left undone. But that's the point. Just breathe. Let go. Imagine your brain like your bedroom. If you never clean it, it gets messy, cluttered with mental junk. And in the mess, you lose sight of what matters. But when you take time to clean your mind, you begin to find what you were looking for. Meditation helps your brain sort memories, reduce stress, and prioritize what's important. So give it a try. Just a few minutes a day can help you feel more mentally organized and a lot less overwhelmed. Memory habit number 2, sleep. Store memories while you rest. If you want to strengthen your memory, you need a healthy sleep cycle. Most people don't realize that your brain does its best work while you're asleep. During a typical 8-hour night, your brain encodes important memories, discards irrelevant details, processes new ideas. All of this happens across different sleep stages. Non-rapid eye movement sleep. Your brain moves newly learned facts into long-term storage, clearing space for more information. Rapid eye movement sleep. Your brain integrates sensory and emotional memories, sights, sounds, and feelings into your dream narratives. When you skimp on sleep or keep an erratic schedule, you miss these critical consolidation windows. The result? You wake up cloudy, forgetful, and unprepared for a day full of new stimuli and challenges. Sleep deprivation isn't a test of your willpower. It's a test failure in your sleep cycle. Your brain needs all 8 hours to stay sharp and resilient. Memory habit number 3, mnemonics. Turn info into easy cues. Mnemonics are simple patterns, words, images, or tunes that unlock big ideas in your mind. A single cue can bring back an entire concept. Think of ROYGBIV for the rainbow. Each letter stands for a color in order. Or remember the musical notes on the treble clef with "Every good boy does fine." You can also set facts to a simple melody. The tune alone brings back the details. The key is to make your cue vivid. The weirder or funnier, the better. Picture a hippo on campus or invent a silly jingle. Try creating your own mnemonic today. Pick a word or phrase that covers everything you need to memorize. Practice it once or twice and watch how quickly your brain recalls the full story. Let's make it fun. Here's a list: red, blue, green, yellow, purple. Can you invent a one-word mnemonic that helps you remember the order? Post it in the comments below. The funnier or more creative, the better. Memory habit number 4, reduce stress. Clear the fog. Stress hurts every part of your brain. When you're tense, reaction time slows and thinking gets cloudy. Worse yet, stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that actually shrinks memory centers over time. Imagine you're anxious about a big project. That worry brings frustration, self-doubt, and fatigue. With your mind overloaded, even simple lists slip away. But you can fight back. Try a quick breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 6. Just a minute of calm can reset your focus. Pick up a hobby that takes your mind off stress. Drawing, walking, cooking, or keep a journal. Writing down worries transfers them out of your brain and onto the page. The longer stress goes unchecked, the more damage it does. So make managing it a daily habit. Your memory will stay sharp when your mind is calm. Memory habit number 5, stay active, move to remember. Physical activity isn't just good for your body, it's a workout for your brain. When you move, blood flow to your hippocampus increases, strengthening memory formation and recall. Imagine going for a brisk walk right after a study session. That simple step boosts oxygen, clears mental fog, and locks new information into place. You don't need a gym. Take short movement breaks. Stretch at your desk, do jumping jacks in your living room, or dance to your favorite song. Even standing up and pacing for a few minutes makes a difference. By pairing motion with learning, You give your brain the perfect environment to store and retrieve memories. Stay active every day and watch your mind stay sharper and your recall get faster. Memory habit number 6, nutrition. Fuel your brain. What you eat directly affects how well you think and remember. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3s gives your brain the nutrients it needs to form and maintain connections. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. Without the right fuel, like berries packed with antioxidants, leafy greens loaded with vitamins, and fish or flaxseed full of omega-3 fats, it can't run at its best. Try starting your day with a smoothie. Blend spinach, blueberries, a banana, and a spoonful of flaxseed or nut butter. That combo delivers antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats in one sip. Snack smart. Swap chips for walnuts or a handful of mixed nuts. Add avocado to your toast for a dose of good fats that keep your brain sharp. By choosing nutrient-dense foods every day, you'll notice clearer thinking, faster recall, and even better mood regulation. Memory habit number 7, sensory stimulation. Learn through the senses. Your senses are powerful memory allies. A familiar smell or taste can instantly bring back a flood of memories. So why not use them to lock in new information? Whenever you want to remember something, engage one of your 5 senses. Sight. Draw a quick sketch or use colorful diagrams. Smell. Sniff a scented candle or gum while studying. Taste. Savor a unique flavor, like mint or citrus, to anchor facts. Sound. Play a distinctive song or sound effect linked to the material. Touch. Hold an object, for example, a smooth stone, while you recite a list. Professional memory athletes pair each item, like playing cards or vocabulary words, with vivid images, smells, or sounds. Later, sensing that cue instantly retrieves the entire concept. Pick one sense per topic. For history dates, draw a simple icon. For vocabulary, attach a memorable scent. Test yourself later by revisiting the cue. Want to improve your memory? You don't need magic, just smarter habits. Start with one of these today. Comment below, which one will you try first? And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more brain-boosting tools. You're building a sharper mind, one habit at a time.